I will ask the Assembly to make a further Oliver Twist attempt that the Bank of Ghana should formally adopt this school as its own. By that process, they will, in partnership with the Assembly, work towards ensuring that this edifice is well maintained. This is doable, and it has been done in many developed countries. I will pray that BoG, incidentally, once upon a time, I worked there for 3 months as a holiday worker. I will pray that you show further love and, in fact, preserve your own work and become partners in the maintenance of this school. Finally, this is a time, the era of ICT. I will pray that the bank, in the adoption, will help to develop a bigger ICT center here. In India, the children just play with the computer at the age of 5 and 6. No wonder they are going so far. I will pray that the bank should heed to this request and not say they have finished their work, but furthermore, help in the establishment of an ultra-modern ICT center for children, none known in this country yet, but which exists in other countries.